A Gold IRA offers a unique investment strategy for retirement by including gold, which is less susceptible to market fluctuations. This form of IRA is advantageous for portfolio diversification, providing a safeguard against inflation and currency devaluation, thereby securing the investor's retirement savings against economic uncertainties. Selecting a reputable custodian is crucial in managing a Gold IRA. A trusted custodian ensures compliance with IRS regulations, offers robust security, and provides superior customer service, all crucial for safeguarding your investments and ensuring a smooth operation of your gold-backed retirement plan. Understanding IRS guidelines is crucial for managing a Gold IRA. These rules define eligibility, set contribution limits, and specify allowable gold assets, ensuring legal compliance. Ignoring these regulations can result in severe penalties, emphasizing the need for thorough knowledge and adherence to maintain your investment's legitimacy. When purchasing gold for your IRA, it's vital to choose the right form: coins, bullions, or bars. Effective negotiation on price, confirming the authenticity of gold, and understanding the logistics required for incorporating these assets into your IRA are essential steps to optimize your investment.